Hi there.
I'm not really in the right frame of mind to make flirty chit-chat with a total stranger.
I just want to know if I can borrow this chair.
Oh. Definitely. Yes!
What did you do this week? Reading?
Mostly.
And how many books did you read?
17.
And does reading 17 books in 1 week seem normal?
Does going to Harvard at the age of 14 seem normal? I'm clearly not normal.
Where do we go?
Hi, Dad.
Hello, darling. I found you a job.
Do you want me to be maladjusted?
Life doesn't always work out as we plan it.
Hello?
You're Carrie Pilby, right?
I might be.
What kind of guy are you looking for?
I'm not looking for any kind of guy.
So you go for girls.
I'm not a lesbian.
Are you a nun?
You need to get out and meet people. You and I are going to come up with a list of goals you're going to achieve between now and the end of the year.
Is this a bucket list? I do not have the emotional maturity to deal with a terminal friend.
No, we can't accept returns.
What are you doing?
Be free! White male, engaged and confused.
You're much more beautiful than I had expected.
You fascinate me, Carrie Pilby. I find you completely enchanting.
Are you okay?
Not really. I am more confused than ever.
Where does he live?
Dad?
You do the things on this list, you're going to feel a lot better about life. Give humanity a chance.
You have a reputation for being a bit of a hermit. I could invite you to dinner or something.
Someone might surprise you.
You were brilliant, and I thought you would be better off.
Why do you want me to do this?
Contrary to what the degrees on the wall may imply, I don't have all the answers.
I wouldn't trust anyone who thought that they did.
What did you do when you were 6?
I wrote several strongly worded letters to oil companies.
Wow.